Copilot provides basic outlines for tasks such as presentations. However, it notably lacks the depth and functionality necessary for effective utilization. Consequently, users may discover better alternatives that offer more comprehensive assistance tailored to their needs. A comparison between Copilot and other advanced AI tools, such as Google Gemini and Perplexity, reveals that the latter provide more detailed and useful information for crafting presentations. This disparity underscores the limitations inherent to Copilot's functionality. Users express appreciation for features found in other AI applications that facilitate downloadable documents and yield more substantial outputs. These capabilities further emphasize the current shortcomings of Copilot's offerings in comparison. The process of creating a PowerPoint presentation with the aid of AI is illustrated, highlighting the remarkable speed with which slides can be prepared. This efficiency offers considerable time savings for users who require prompt delivery of presentations. While certain AI tools, such as ChatGPT, possess the ability to generate PowerPoint presentations, others may offer limited functionality, ultimately impacting the user experience and their expectations. Therefore, it is essential for users to familiarize themselves with the capabilities of various tools. A discussion on the limitations of certain AI tools reveals a particular shortcoming: the inability to produce directly downloadable PowerPoint files. In many cases, users may find themselves needing to convert or import content manually, adding an extra step to their workflow. Copilot, integrated within Microsoft 365 applications, allows users to create presentations directly from the app. However, it is important to note that these features may be susceptible to errors and limited in scope. Additionally, users encounter character limits when inputting text for presentations, which may necessitate the use of additional files or additional text processing. This scenario complicates the overall presentation creation process. Copilot's capability to generate presentations from outlines proves to be inconsistent, often failing to recognize user-specified formats. This ambiguity can lead to frustration for users striving to create tailored and customized presentations. PowerPoint itself imposes restrictions on file types, as well as the ability to create presentations directly from text files. Such limitations can inadvertently hinder user productivity, resulting in frustration for those attempting to streamline their workflow. Moreover, copying links from OneDrive and integrating them into presentations presents additional challenges, further complicating the process. This situation can lead to significant time and effort being wasted for users striving to create effective presentations. The inability to edit documents directly with features like Copilot in Word raises pertinent questions regarding its practicality. Users often expect more comprehensive functionality beyond mere content summarization and generation. Users frequently express disappointment when AI tools fail to recognize highlighted sections within documents, complicating tasks that should ideally be straightforward and effective. This issue can substantially hinder productivity. The inability of certain AI tools to convert tables directly into Excel format further amplifies user frustration, as individuals often must resort to manual methods. This limitation adversely affects efficiency and effectiveness in data handling. Repeated prompts to remove group rows and subtotals suggest that AI systems struggle to accurately comprehend and process user instructions. This challenge leads to a cycle of frustration for users attempting to complete their tasks. In a personal account, the speaker attempts to utilize Excel's Copilot for data analysis, but finds it insufficient for generating the necessary statistics and insights. This experience reflects broader frustrations with the service's capabilities. After exploring various functionalities within Excel, the speaker ultimately concludes that the service does not deliver the expected utility when compared to alternative AI tools, such as ChatGPT. This evaluation further underlines the limitations of Copilot. In light of these observations, the speaker advises against subscribing to Microsoft's Copilot, recommending that users save their financial resources until substantial improvements are made. This advice resonates with users in search of effective tools for data management.